Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to check screen time in your Samsung Galaxy A25 phone. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your settings app. Now from here scroll down, then go to digital well-being and parental controls. Now from here you can check your screen time. You can see in my phone today screen time is 4 hours and 39 minutes. Also if you want to set app timers, just scroll down. And here you can see app timers option. You can also set timer for any app. If you want to set timer for Facebook, just tap on set timer and then choose any time, then tap on done and it's done. Also if you tap on this icon, now from here you can check your weekly screen time details. You can see in this week my daily average screen time is almost 7 hours. Now if you go back, you can also check your most used apps from here. And that is how you can check screen time in your Samsung Galaxy A25 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe